Roar. 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 What? You upset because we can't go outside and play right now? You're upset because we can't go outside and play right now? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. You upset because we can't go outside and play right now? Dog. Oh, I know. Just puppy just wants to go outside and play. We'll get the umbrella and go for a walk. Yeah. We'll get the umbrella and go for a walk. Do you see stuff outside? You see stuff outside? Where's this doggy going? Oh, it's a Kit Kat. Oh, it's a Kit Kat. It's a Kit Kat. And a doggy. Kitty Kat and a doggy.
This is the first time Luke's even hearing about his Jedi dad. But the real news here is that his uncle has been lying his ass off for years, man. Forget the dad you never knew stuff. This uncle farmer who's trying to pull moisture out of the desert like a dick. He's the liar you always thought he was, man. Your whole life is a lie.
Mr. Doggy.
Get your revenge, Luke. You go back and you
Mr. Doggy.
right in front of his own house.
No.
Which way to point that thing before
No.
This is what I tell all my sex droids. Luke could have accidentally cut off the head of Old Man Exposition. Movie franchise nearly sends Obi-Wan to his death 75 minutes too early.
Yeah, I think you're starting to understand what the camo is. I think you're starting to understand what the camo is. Oh. So instead of showing your face, instead of showing your pretty face, you turn away from it. You got that little tail. Oh, I got that tail. Oh, kitty yawns. Huh. Roar. Roar. Get it. Get it. Ruff. Roar. 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 Trying to meet on a rough. 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 Roar. 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 What? 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 I'm gonna beat this doggy up. I'm gonna beat this doggy up. Huh? Beat that little doggy up. I'm gonna beat that little doggy up. I'm gonna beat him up. I'm gonna beat him up. Huh? What? You think I can't lay on the bed with you? You think I can't lay on these puppy dog beds? Think I can't lay on these puppy dog beds? Roar. Roar. Oh. You think you can get away from me? You think you can get away from me? You think you're... Aha! I got it! I got it! I got it! I got it! Oh, it's a good catch. A good catch, Papa Dog. Good catch, Papa Dog. I see that tail. I see that tail. Oh, I'm gonna go for this tail. I'm gonna go for this tail. I'm pull this tail. Pulling this tail. Pulling this puppy dog tail. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it stopped wagging. I pulled the life out of it. I pulled the life. Oh, it wiggled a little bit. I know, there's not enough room inside this house to play ball. Not enough room inside this place to play ball. Not enough room inside this place to play ball. Roar. Roar.
He must have had a Titanic cry.
Oh, it's that kitty cat. Roar. Roar. Ooh, I got it. 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 Roar. Roar. We'll do doggy stuff. Roar. Beat the doggy up. Oh, beat the doggy up. Oh, beat the doggy up. Oh, beat him up. I know. I know. I know. We just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. Oh, look at those ears. Look at those ears. Oh, we got some clean puppy dog ears. Clean puppy dog ears. Oh, are you tripping over your bed? Tripping over your bed? Roar. Roar. Roar.
It also obeys your commands. Oh, wait, what? Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them. Yeah, but I would guess your eyes don't deceive you as much as everything else you use to detect things. It's not like the Jedi's going around blindfolding each other before a lightsaber match. Yeah, that is. Assassin Luke isn't feeling the force already after spending just a couple hours with that 40 ball. I call it luck. My experience was not as big as luck. You just experienced luck. It's okay to give him acceptance. Let the hate flow through you. I told you she would never consciously
Roar. Roar. I got this kitty paw. I got this kitty paw. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got this kitty paw. No. Gotta get some time bugging this kitty. Gotta get some time bugging this kitty. I got some time bugging this kitty too. Bugging these kitties. Bugging these kitties. Oh goodness. I'm gonna bug these kitties. Bugging these kitty cats. Bugging these puppies and kitty cats. Oh, I just loaf up. I just loaf up. It's not even close to dinner time. Dinner time's still a couple hours away. Roar. Oh. Let's see, what time is it? Alright, it's getting closer to time for the walk. Oh, getting closer for time for the walk. Puppy dog. You baddies? Alright, let's do this.